Welcome to our video on how to sleep better. If you're struggling with sleep issues, we have some simple tips and techniques that can help you improve your sleep quality. Let's dive right in. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is crucial for a good night's sleep. Here's what you can do. Start by taking a warm shower or soaking in warm water. It helps relax your body and prepares you for a restful sleep. Next, soak your feet in warm water with soaking salt or just warm water for 15 minutes. This promotes blood circulation and further relaxes your body. Afterward, brush your teeth and wash your face. These simple acts signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Post-relaxation, diet affects sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals before bed to prevent indigestion. Alcohol, contrary to popular belief, disrupts sleep patterns and harms sleep quality. Avoid caffeine late in the day as it can keep you awake. Instead, drink water before bed to aid overnight recovery. Remember, great sleep relies on both good habits and proper diet. Nourish your body for restful sleep. Diet important, but use of electronics like computers, TVs, and smartphones before bed important too. They emit blue light that tricks brain into thinking daytime. Melatonin sleep hormone production suppressed, makes it harder to fall asleep and restorative sleep stages hard to reach. Solution: blue light blocking glasses shield eyes from blue light and help maintain natural rhythms. Protect eyes as much as diet and hydration for healthy sleep lifestyle. Turn off lights or use eye cover. Darkness signals body it's time to rest, helps internal clock, and promotes melatonin production. Eye covers help block remaining light, allowing deeper sleep state. Focus on breath. Imagine peacefully lying in a boat beneath a moonlit lake, surrounded by tranquility and the shimmering reflection of the moon. Darkness blocks distractions and allows mind to quiet down. Focused breathing and darkness create ideal conditions for deep sleep. As you continue to breathe, count to 4 while exhaling through your mouth and count to 4 while inhaling through your nose. This rhythmic breathing pattern helps synchronize your body and mind, inducing a state of relaxation. Keep repeating this breathing pattern, focusing on the calmness of the lake, and let your mind drift into a peaceful slumber. Let go of any distracting thoughts and remember to stay present. Focus solely on your breath to cultivate a sense of calm and tranquility. Maintaining these habits consistently is key. Try these tips for 1 month and witness the transformation in your sleep quality, energy levels, and overall mental clarity. Make restful sleep your priority. See you in a month with a rejuvenated mind and body.